everyone, this is Carl with StoneHouse Foundation Repair. One of the questions we get quite often is, when you lift my home, if my garage has sunk, when you lift that, what about my driveway? Is my driveway gonna come up? Is it gonna need to be replaced? Is it gonna break? The truth is, we never really know. We always assume that your driveway was built correctly and it's tied into your home correctly. If that's the case, 9 times out of 10, it will come up with the home and you don't have to do anything. But there are chances, like this one in particular, we lifted this garage almost 3 inches, and you can see that the driveway actually came up with the home, right? It's a little bit lower, but it came up with it. But you can also see everywhere there's a dowel, it has popped. And so if you look down in here, you can see where these dowels went in, and they actually used 3/8 dowels, which is not as good either. But so they are an undersized dowel, but you can see it's popped. But if you look at this slope on this driveway now, it's got a massive slope to it. So I myself would recommend to this owner, it's not necessary, but I would recommend this driveway be cut at the control joint down there and re-poured from there to here. You know, that's, if they want to, they don't have to do it now, it can be done later, but it's a recommendation for sure.